heart murmur, first of all, is nothing more than an abnormal heart sound. And when your physician detects the heart murmur, they will listen to see whether the murmur is occurring during the contractile phase of the heart or whether it's in the relaxation phase of the heart. You may have no symptoms whatsoever. Other symptoms that you may have with this are arrhythmias, with murmurs that may cause you to have arrhythmias. They may cause you to have symptoms of chest pain. They may cause you fainting. They may cause you symptoms of shortness of breath. If we diagnose a heart murmur, the plan there is to determine whether this is something which is an innocent flow murmur, which there's really no further workup required. If it is a murmur which needs to be followed over time to see if a valve or is getting worse, if the abnormality is progressive, or whether or not something more urgent needs to be performed, like a heart catheterization.